Hello traders, today I have come up with an intraday strategy. You can make 80,000 per month only with natural gas using this strategy. I have learned this from Oliver Velez's trading program and I am deeply grateful to him. And I have developed this system, this strategy on my own on natural gas after backtesting it. It is applicable on gold and silver as well. This strategy is 80% efficient. That means out of total 10 trades, it will give positive results 8 times and 2 times it will be losing trades. ऐसा नहीं है कि ये मेरा बनाया सेटअप है. आई नेवर क्लेम इट एज अ यूनिक डिस्कवरी और फर्स्ट ऑफ अ काइंड. हाँ, लेकिन मैंने इसे नेचुरल गैस पर इम्प्लीमेंट करके 4 मंथ्स तक डेवलप किया इन माई स्टाइल ऑफ ट्रेडिंग. हो सकता है ये आपके लिए भी हेल्पफुल हो. स्ट्रेटजी से ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट रिस्क मैनेजमेंट होता है, इसीलिए इसे डेवलप करने में 4 मंथ्स लगे. एट अ टाइम मैं एक ही स्क्रिप्ट को चूज करती हूँ, दैट इज मोस्टली नेचुरल गैस. बट गोल्ड मिनी एंड सिल्वर मिनी में भी ये ऐसे ही वर्क करता है. Although day trading frees you, needs less capital, avoids overnight risk, and accelerates learning, but it needs a ultra high level of discipline and alertness, and your focus should be 100%. Technology helps, but does not guarantee victory. A poor driver will crash the best car. अगर आप रिस्क मैनेजमेंट को स्ट्रिक्टली नहीं फॉलो करेंगे तो नथिंग इज गोइंग टू हेल्प यू. जस्ट वेट फॉर योर सेटअप. A trading setup is a set of specific conditions that must be met before we enter the market. It determines when we enter the market. And conditions that dictates where we enter also determines where we exit. The trading setup that signals the entry also offers a natural stop loss point. अगर आप randomly enter करेंगे तो आपकी exit definitely randomly ही होगी with a loss. This is our tools of trade. This is basic setup illustration, and we need simple moving averages, that is 20 MA and 200 MA, and this is our buy setup and this is our sell setup. We have to trade with 20 MA. 20 MA for bullish price pattern, we need 20 MA must be rising and never trade against 20 MA. We are going to here buy. हम यहाँ पर कभी भी सेल ऑर्डर नहीं लगाएंगे. दैट इज अगेंस्ट 20 MA. सो वी हैव टू ट्रेड विथ राइजिंग 20 MA. 20 MA 200 MA, and one more thing, 200 MA must not be negative. It should be 0 or more, but it should not be negative for bullish price pattern. And degree difference between 20 MA and 200 MA should not be more than 45 degree. ये बहुत ज़्यादा broad नहीं होना चाहिए. It should be narrow. Buy when 20 MA is above 200 MA. That is our buy setup. For sell setup इसका just opposite होना चाहिए. जब 20 MA 200 MA के जस्ट बिलो हो तभी हम उसमें सेल ऑर्डर प्लेस करेंगे. एंड यू हैव टू सेल विथ डिक्लाइनिंग 20 MA. दैट इज हियर. दिस इज आवर सेल सेटअप, दिस इज आवर बाय सेटअप, दिस इज द बेसिक सेटअप इलिस्ट्रेशन. दिस इज आवर ट्रेडिंग सेटअप जो मैंने अभी पहले इसमें बताया था. ट्रेड विथ 20 MA, दिस इज फॉर बुलिश प्राइस पैटर्न. ट्रेड विथ 20 MA, 20 MA must be rising. Never trade against the 20 MA. 200 MA must not be negative. Degree difference between 20 MA and 200 MA should not be more than 45 degrees. That is, it should be narrow. It should not be very broad. Gap between 20 MA and 200 MA should not be very large. And buy when 20 MA is above 200 MA, and our time frame of trading should be 5 minutes. These are the 4 candlestick patterns that we are going to discuss in the next slide. This is our full fat bar tick out. Second one is rocket tail, third one is anti-color play, and fourth one is successive 180-degree change. This actually determines who won the battle. This is our full fat bar takeout candlestick pattern. When a bar which is very large compared to previous candles, it is formed with almost no tail, and we have to take an entry just at the breakout of this candle, and our stop loss should be just below this bar, this fat bar. This is our full fat bar takeout. Second one is our rocket tail. Why I'm calling it a rocket? This One more thing. Here a tail is formed which is longer than 70% of total length of this bar. We have to ignore the color. Uh, Green tail bar is same as the red tail bar. Observe the direction of tail, where it is formed at the top or bottom of the candle, and we will take an entry just at the breakout of this previous candle, that is here, and our stop loss should be just below the tail. And this is our anti-color play. This anti-color play is here. It is played when a trend is established. Observe the situation when a candle of the opposite color is formed, which is opposite to the trend. If this is, as you can see, this is for bullish price pattern. So when the red candle is formed in bullish trend, observe the red candles. In bearish trend, observe the green candle. We will take once the second candle is formed, which wipe out the previous candle, that is here, and we will take an entry just at the breakout of this this opposite color candle, and our stop loss should be just below this candle. This is our anti-color play. And second one is our successive 180-degree change. Two fat bars of opposite colors are formed in quick succession. The latter bar wipes off the previous bar of opposite color. We will take an entry just at the wipeout of the first candle, and this is the breakout point. We will take an entry here, and our stop loss should be here. This is for bullish market, that is our buy setup, and in next slide this is for bearish setup. This is the whole picture of our strategy. We have to play with rising 20 MA, that is your trend. Once trend is established, you have to play with this rising 20 MA, and this gap should not be very large, and take an entry as per entry conditions when price is near 20, and book your profit away from 20. Gap between 20 MA and 200 MA should not be very large. Exit when price moves away from 20, that is here, and exit when 20 MA moves far away from the 200 MA. When this gap becomes very large, then stop taking entries. And this is for your sell setup. You have to follow the same criteria as I have discussed in this. Here, get in near 20 and get out away 20 MA. Repeat this process until you have rising 20 MA, that is like this. Repeat this process till 20 MA gets far from the 200 MA. Once this gap becomes very large, stop making entries. You will always find an action. Wait for your trading setup. Market emits huge knowledge of information. आप सबको apply नहीं करेंगे. Just wait for your setup and try to develop an habit for waiting for your setup. This is here. Get in near 20 MA, get out away 20 MA. Repeat this process until you have rising 20 MA. Repeat this process till 20 MA gets far from 200 MA. I have denoted as MA, that is your simple moving averages. Successful trading requires decisiveness, and decisiveness requires simplicity. Uh, For all long setups, take them only when market bias is bullish. Place your buy stop order one tick above the high of the setup bar. Place your stop loss order one tick below, one or two tick below the low of the setup bar. For all short setups, take them only when market bias is bearish. Place your sell stop order one tick below the low of the setup bar. Place your stop loss order one tick above the high of the setup bar. If we enter the market with a bullish price pattern, we can exit the market when price action rejects that pattern. The difference between these two price levels is our trade risk, which is maximum amount we stand to lose. Hence, our trading setup limits and highlights our trade risk. I'm making this video on 20th August. आज मैंने जो लिया है वो मैं आपको just दिखाती हूँ. This is our anti-color play and this trend is established as you can see. मैंने यहाँ पर लिया था 289.8 समथिंग के अराउंड ये इसका मेरा एंट्री था and I booked my profit here and our stop loss is just below 289 but I have taken 288.80 क्योंकि कभी कभी स्टॉप लॉस हंटिंग हो जाती है इसलिए मैंने 288.9 न रख के 288.80 पे रखा था. आप भी स्टॉप लॉस ऑर्डर लगाते वक्त इस चीज का खास ख्याल रखें, कभी राउंड फिगर के पे कभी मत रखिएगा, जस्ट उससे वन टिक बिलो ही रखें. और मैंने इसका प्रॉफिट बुक किया था अराउंड हियर सिंस मूवमेंट वाज वेरी स्ट्रांग. The market repeats itself. The same human psychology and market behavior have always been around. Price action works because of the human psychology that responds to price changes. The psychology underlying each price pattern is essential for evaluating the quality of trading opportunities. सिर्फ price action setup ही नहीं trading opportunity है. We need to फिल्टर देम अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर मार्केट बायस. आप इस चीज का खास ख्याल रखें, कभी भी मार्केट बायस के अगेंस्ट ट्रेंड आप ऑर्डर प्लेस कभी मत करें. अगर मार्केट बुलिश है तो आप हमेशा बाई ऑर्डर ही प्लेस करेंगे नो मैटर व्हाट. आपको चाहे जितनी भी स्ट्रांग दिख रही हो इसमें सेल की ऑर्डर की स्ट्रेंथ, लेकिन आप कभी भी मार्केट बायस के अगेंस्ट ऑर्डर प्लेस मत करिएगा. सिंस इट इज इंट्राडे, आप एक चीज का और ख्याल रखें, इसमें एक सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम ओवर ट्रेडिंग की होती है. आप हमेशा आप अपना नंबर ऑफ ट्रेड्स लिमिट करके ही करें. मैंने जब भी किया इसको हमेशा वो पहले से प्री डिसाइडेड होता था कि मेरे नंबर ऑफ ट्रेड्स सिर्फ 4 ही होते थे, वेदर इट इज प्रॉफिट और लॉस. उसके बाद 4 ट्रेड्स जहां मैं ले लेती थी उसके बाद मैं इसको क्लोज कर देती थी. आप मार्केट सिलेक्शन एंड सेशन टाइमिंग्स का भी खास ख्याल रखें. अगर आप इसे किसी एक पर्टिकुलर स्क्रिप्ट पे कर रहे हैं तो आप उसी पर करें एंड नेवर ट्रेड एट अदर टाइम्स. आप एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम स्लॉट भी अपना डिसाइड कर लें. दिस अलाउज यू टू सबकॉन्शियसली बिकम फेमिलियर विद द नेचर ऑफ मूवमेंट्स ऑफ दैट इंस्ट्रूमेंट एट दैट टाइम. The timing that I typically trade for NG, that is either 10 to 12 in the morning or 4:30 to 6:30. Calculate total loss of the day before trading session and follow it strictly no matter what. Always remember, युद्ध में बने रहने के लिए आपका जिंदा रहना ज्यादा जरूरी है. Your capital is your sword. और बिना sword के आप युद्ध नहीं जीत पाएंगे. According to the order entry rules shown here, our trade risk is always represented by the range of that setup bar plus 2 ticks. The true purpose of trading setup is to offer a stop loss level to help us limit our risk. It is not a money making signal. It is a risk control tool. Thanks for watching this video and keep learning, keep trading. Bye bye and keep trading.